What if I told you that the way we grow food can look completely different depending on where you live? From the rice fields of Asia to large-scale farms in Western countries, farmers use incredible planting, gardening, and harvesting techniques shaped by their land, climate, and traditions. Some rely on generations-old methods, while others use powerful machines, smart technology, and surprisingly simple tricks to get the most from every harvest. And the best part, every farm has a story and every technique has a reason. Now, let's talk about how farmers around the world grow, harvest, and transform the food we eat. Forget the grocery store. This farm is basically running a vegetable factory, and it starts with a pile of dirt. The soil is prepared and packed into tiny growing bags, giving each seed its own little apartment. If you want to see how these tiny seedlings become a full-blown harvest, hit subscribe, because this gets seriously green. The seeds are planted carefully, then the young seedlings are watered and given time to grow. No fancy technology, just soil, water, and patience. Once they're strong enough, the seedlings are moved into the field and arranged in neat rows. Apparently, even vegetables need good parking spaces. Then comes the trellis. As the plants grow, their vines climb upward, creating a giant green canopy overhead. Soon, flowers appear, followed by long, bitter melons hanging from the vines, and these aren't left completely unprotected. And now it's harvest time, but don't scroll yet. Stay and watch how they get these vegetables off the vines. Trust me, it's not your average backyard harvest.